Hi everybody, and welcome to this clip about the structure of the research proposal. I'm going to walk you through the various elements of the research proposal and briefly explain what each element consists of. You can find more information in your course outline. The first element we're going to talk about is your title. This is often the last element that is written in a research proposal, but the idea is that your title encapsulates exactly what your project is about. Sometimes people will use their research question as their title. Often the first element that is written in a research proposal is the introduction, which scopes your topic and the research problem for the reader. Ensure that you clearly introduce your chosen research topic to the reader and that you underpin it well with good quality citations. The next element you'll be working on is your question, aims and operationalization. Develop a clear research question where you've encapsulated your topic into one simple overarching question, well supported by aims and operationalization that will collectively answer the research question. Make sure your operationalization is defined as clearly and precisely as possible as well. The next element we're looking for is an initial literature review. This is an overview of the relevant literature referenced in APA 7th edition, all the materials you've uncovered to date on your chosen topic area. These references will flow seamlessly through into your bibliography and be appropriately in-text cited and bibliographically referenced. The next element in your research proposal is your research methodology. Here again we're wanting to see a clearly defined method for collecting the information that you're going to gather on the topic area and the reasons why this method was chosen. You'll be drawing again on good quality literature and being as clear, direct and simple as you possibly can be. You also need to think about your key assumptions and limitations, that you clearly develop and write up the assumptions and limitations that are relevant to your research project. Think carefully and widely about what biases, barriers and boundaries there may be for your project. The next element that you need to detail is ethical considerations. This is a summary of your research ethics application form and your informed consent form. In this area you're going to detail how long you're going to keep data for, what risks there may be around your project, and any other ethical considerations that may be relevant. The next section is your research management plan. The research management plan is where you show us your planning skills. We want to see a timeline for completion of each task. We want to see hour estimates. We want to see nicely broken down details of all the tasks you've got to undertake in order to complete your project. The more detailed your project plan is, the more likely you are to be able to carry on when you get lost partway through the project. Nearly everyone gets lost. Your supervisors are expecting you to see you outline the structure of your research report as well, showing what each chapter will contain. Although the writing of your research report seems quite a long way off at the moment, it's going to come sooner than you expect, and everybody who writes a research proposal has to think about what the final document is going to look at and give the reader an outline of what its contents are likely to be. Then lastly, we're expecting a thorough bibliography using correct APA 7th edition format, including DOI numbers, all those elements that you've read to date, and we're wanting to see as well a similarity score in single digits.